Can you convert GGives to GCash without GPO? What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're talking about something a lot of people are curious about. Can you convert GGives to your GCash wallet without using a GPO? Let's break it down. So first, what are GGives? Basically, GGives is a program offered by GCash, where you can split a payment into smaller portions and pay it over time. It's like a buy now, pay later option, helping you manage bigger purchases without paying everything upfront. Now, here's the big question. Can you turn your GGives into actual GCash wallet balance? The short answer is no, not directly unless you go through a GPO. GPO stands for GCash Padala Outlet. It's a physical location or partner outlet where you can perform transactions like cash-ins, cash-outs, and in this case converting GGives into actual GCash. To do this at a GPO, you'll need to show a valid ID and follow their process. That's the only legit and safe way to convert GGives into wallet balance for now. Now, some people online might claim they can do it for you, but be careful. These are often scams. They might offer to convert your GGives but then take a cut or never send the full amount. Not worth the risk. So, as of now, you do need a GPO to convert GGives to GCash. That's it for this video. If this helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment if you've got questions, and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.